Hey there! Today I'm diving into the world of network topologies. Whether you're a budding computer science student or just curious about how networks are structured, you're in the right place. Let's break down four main types: star, mesh, bus, and ring. First up, the star topology. Imagine a starfish with its arms radiating out from a central hub. In this setup, each device is connected to a single central hub. This hub acts like a traffic cop, managing all the data flow. So if one arm or device fails, the rest of the network keeps on ticking. The downside? If the hub goes down, the whole network's in trouble. Common in home networks and small businesses, it's simple and easy to manage. Next, let's talk about the mesh topology. Think of it like a spider web. Here, every device connects to every other device. Sounds complex, right? But the beauty of mesh is its robustness. If one link breaks, data can reroute through other paths. This makes mesh super reliable but also expensive and difficult to set up. You'll find mesh in mission-critical environments like large organizations and military applications. Now, onto the bus topology. Picture a single bus route with stops along the way. In this system, all devices share a single communication line or cable. Data travels in both directions, but only one device can send data at a time to avoid collisions. The simplicity and cost-effectiveness of bus are great for small networks. However, if the main cable fails, the entire network can go down. Lastly, we have the ring topology. Visualize a circular track. Devices are connected in a circular loop, with each device having exactly two neighbors. Data travels in one direction, passing through each device until it reaches its destination. The downside is that if one device or connection fails, the entire network can be disrupted. Despite this, the ring topology is efficient for networks that need an orderly and structured data flow. So there you have it: star, mesh, bus, and ring, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Choosing the right topology depends on your specific needs and resources. Understanding these fundamentals is key to building efficient and reliable networks. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.